Guys, it is time for a Bitcoin emergency update video because we are about to break out of two chart patterns that are forming right now on the smaller time frames. So this breakout will actually happen during the next couple of hours. And if you don't want to miss out on this trade opportunity, because I'm going to scale up my trades for sure as soon as we see this breakout, then stick around till the very end of this video because we have some amazing price targets prepared for today's video. And also guys, don't wonder, I just flew to Dubai this morning. I just moved into my new villa, as you guys can see here on the Palm. Very beautiful view with direct ocean access and also a very nice pool and all kinds of things. I'm sharing this villa with Chris from MM Crypto. Probably most of you guys know him, so big shout out to Chris from MM Crypto that I'm sharing this beautiful villa with. But let's not talk too much, guys. Like I said, I just moved here, so my setup is not built yet. That's why I'm recording this video from my phone. But guys, I also wanted to use this opportunity to ask you, do you want to have more updates from my phone actually? Because these kind of videos I can do from wherever I am, even though I'm not at my PC setup. So please comment down below, should I upload more videos like this, or just smash up a like. Let's reach 3,000 likes like we do on every single video. And don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, and for sure guys, share the video with your friends. This supports me the most. But let's not talk too much, guys. Let's just jump right. So as you guys can already see here on the 4-hourly time frame, guys, Bitcoin did exactly what I mentioned in my first video of today, because as you guys remember, we had a beautiful bull flag on the 1-hourly time frame that actually broke to the downside. I told you guys that there's pretty much a 50-50 chance of us breaking to the upside or the downside. We broke to the downside, and I told you that if we break to the downside, I expect a drop down to our rising wedge, and I expected that we are going to retest this rising wedge as support, and exactly this is happening. That's why I told you guys that if we break out of this bull flag, we could drop all the way down to the $52,000 level. That's where the bottom support of this rising wedge is at the moment. But we are actually already bouncing at the old resistance of this rising wedge that now has turned into support after we broke above it. And I have to show you something, guys, that is forming right now on the 1-hourly candles as well, because after we broke to the downside, Bitcoin is now actually forming something very beautiful on the 1-hourly time frame. And guys, probably you already know what I'm talking about. It is a perfect chart pattern, and we love this kind of chart pattern with Bitcoin because it has a very high success ratio. And this is actually another wedge, and it is this time not a rising wedge, not a bearish wedge. No, it is a falling wedge. And as you guys know, a falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, and especially on Bitcoin, falling wedges have a very high success rate. So the probability of us breaking here to the upside is fairly high. I mean, still guys, just keep an eye. I can already tell you, just keep an eye on the $53,500 level. If we break the $53,500 level to the downside, I'm expecting more downside for Bitcoin to come in the near future. So in this case scenario, I would definitely start scaling down my longs a little bit, or in this case, I would start taking profits, because as you know, all of my trades are in massive profits. I showed you in the first video of today that we are in a total of over not 1 million yet, but in a total profit of over $500,000 for sure. I'm not quite sure at what rate or at what price we are right now at the current levels, but this is not really important for you guys. I will just update you on this in tomorrow's video. But one thing I can tell you for sure is that I will definitely scale up my long positions if we break out of this falling wedge to the upside. This would mean that we have to close an hourly candle above the $45,300 level. So guys, this is actually very simple. If we close above the $54,300 level, a 1-hourly candle, in the best case a 4-hourly candle, I will start scaling up my long positions again. And guys, keep in mind, every single time I'm saying I'm scaling up my long positions, by that I mean actually that I'm only scaling my longs up a little bit, so maybe 10%, 15%, because I hope that everybody understands this. Every time I say I'm scaling up my trades, I'm not saying that I'm going to double them, I'm going to triple them or anything in size. I'm really just talking about 10%, 20% higher quantity size on my trades. I'm not changing the leverage in most cases. I'm only changing the leverage from my normal 3 to 10x opening leverage to a higher leverage as soon as my stop loss is in profit. So guys, keep that in mind. If I say I'm scaling my trades immensely, this definitely doesn't mean that I'm doubling those trades. It means that I'm at a maximum maybe adding 10 to 20% to this position. So keep this in mind for future updates. And also guys, like I said, please now comment down below, should I do more videos with my phone so I can keep you guys updated even though I'm not at my PC? And also guys, just leave a comment down below as always, just with your opinion about this chart analysis. Smash up a like, let's reach 3,000 likes like we do on every single video. And if we smash a new like record, I for sure know that you want to see more updates from my mobile phone. And other than that guys, I really appreciated you guys watching, although this is not from my normal setup but just from my phone. I hope you still understood the chart analysis perfectly. And yeah, if this is the case, I will maybe do some more updates from my phone if there's something interesting happening in the charts and I don't have the possibility to record from my PC. But other than that guys, we will see us in tomorrow's video. Till then, bye bye.